Hey everybody, Ryan here with Ryan's Remodeling again. We got another project going here today that involves a floor in a half-story master suite. This is a wood product that is stained. It's not an LVT product. This is an actual hardwood product that we got going in here. I'll show you this here. So it's stained to the color that the homeowner chose. It's a tongue and groove installation. Unlike an LVT flooring, this is an actual wood product. If you look down here, it goes together with a tongue and groove style, just like that. So you got the pieces that go there. They've gotten this far on the installation. And what's interesting and what's of note here on this particular installation that is a learning opportunity for the viewers here, this floor is meant to be stapled down. It's meant to be, stapled to the actual subfloor, just like a hardwood product, unlike a floating floor. But what is unique here, and is really showing off the talents of our flooring installers, they're really good at what they do. They are actually installing this as a floating floor because the subfloor would not accept staples. So what they've done is they put down the proper vapor barrier and padding between the subfloor and the flooring itself. And what they're doing is they're using a joint compound, a joint adhesive I should say, in between every piece. And if you look back this way, there's tape on there for that reason. They're letting it set, and then once it's set, it's good to go, and they'll pull the tape off, obviously. But this is an example of when you hire a contractor, they're in a specific niche. This is a real good example of their skill level being up to par for what we're looking for. So whenever we hire subcontractors, we talk about this in the workshop about remodeling secrets and things you should know. One of the things you want to know is, am I hiring someone who has the skill set to deal with challenges? This is definitely a challenging situation. These guys have really stepped up and changed the way this was meant to be installed to do it properly. And we're still going to be able to warranty the work for the customer and have a good product when they're done. Something that's going to have the longevity it was meant to have. And it's going to look great, obviously. So when this is done, they're going to go ahead and do the stairs as well. We won't get into that yet. We'll do that on a separate video and show you guys how that goes in. But we'll get the base trim put in here and get that completed, and the painters will come back through, touch up, and get the enamel paint on the trim as well. And this is just going to look really clean, really nice. So again, thanks for watching, and keep on the lookout for another video with more how-tos.